Hey everyone, welcome back and for Simple How To's by J&A. Today we're going to be going over how to restart an iPhone 16. So, you can turn your phone off and on to if it's acting funny or weird, but sometimes that doesn't always work. So we found that restarting it has actually helped. For example, recently our CarPlay in our car wasn't working correctly, and we did this restart feature, and it worked. We tried turning our phones off and on, but that didn't work until we tried this restart feature. So to do so, all you have to do is you just get the power button, you get it turned on, and then you do up volume, down volume, and then hold the power button. And then you're going to see it come up with the slide. Just keep holding the power button until you see the Apple logo. So it just went off, but we're going to keep holding until we see the Apple logo. And there's the Apple logo. Now you can let it go. And now you just wait for it to restart. All right, and it took maybe 30 seconds, but it is back up now and it has been restarted. So you should be good to go. If you have any other problems, I'd maybe try it again, or it might be another problem that needs to be solved. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for future videos.